Are you looking for the best dash cams of 2025? A dash cam is an essential tool for every driver, offering peace of mind by recording video footage of your journeys. Whether for accident protection, security, or monitoring your vehicle, dash cams provide clear evidence in case of disputes. Invest in one today for enhanced safety and convenience on the road. So, let's get started. Number 5. Rove R2 4K Pro Dash Cam, the ultimate driving companion. This dash cam is an advanced driving tool that offers superior video quality and a wide range of features designed to enhance your driving experience. Packed with cutting-edge technology, this dash cam ensures you capture every moment on the road with exceptional clarity. Here are the key features that set it apart. 4K UHD recording 2160p at 30 fps/2. 5K at 60 fps. The Rove R2 4K Pro delivers crystal clear 4K video recording, ensuring every detail is captured in stunning clarity. Advanced 5G Wi-Fi pairing, with built-in dual-band 5G and 4G HC Wi-Fi, the R2 4K Pro allows seamless connection with both iOS and Android devices. Through the Rove Dashcam app, you can easily view, download, and share your footage with friends and family, and even adjust the settings directly from your phone. Built-in GPS. The Dashcam comes with integrated GPS that records real-time speed and location data, overlaying these details onto the footage. This feature provides precise driving routes, location stamps, and speed records, offering valuable evidence in case of an incident. State-of-the-art technology. The R2 4K Pro boasts impressive features like a supercapacitor for improved longevity, voice guidance and alerts, a fast f1.5 aperture for better light capture, a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, time-lapse video recording, emergency video lock, and G-sensor functionality. With the Rove R2 4K Pro, you get a reliable, feature-rich dash cam that brings peace of mind and convenience to every drive. The next is Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam, compact, powerful, and reliable protection. This dash cam offers a high-performance, pocket-sized solution for recording incidents on the road. Designed for both convenience and safety, it combines advanced features to provide reliable protection for drivers. Here are the standout features of this compact dash cam. Compact and discreet design. The Garmin Dash Cam is small enough to go virtually unnoticed on your windshield. It automatically records and saves footage of incidents, including crucial details like GPS location, date, and time, ensuring that you have the evidence when needed. Extra 180-degree lens and 1440p HD video. The dash cam boasts an ultra-wide 180-degree lens, capturing a larger portion of the environment. With Garmin Clarity HDR optics, it records crisp 1440p HD video, ensuring clear footage both day and night, even in low light conditions. Voice control, available in multiple languages, including English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. The Garmin Dash Cam features voice control. Wi-Fi video uploads. Saved footage is automatically uploaded to Garmin's secure online vault via Wi-Fi, so you can access, view, and share your videos later from anywhere. Parking guard feature. When your vehicle is parked, the parking guard monitors activity around it. If an incident is detected, you'll receive an alert. Requires Wi-Fi and access via the Garmin Drive app on a compatible smartphone. Remote access and live view monitoring. With constant power and an active Wi-Fi connection, you can monitor your vehicle remotely via the Garmin Drive app, providing peace of mind when you're away from the car. The next is Number 3. Nextbase IQ2K HD Dash Cam, advanced safety features for peace of mind. This dash cam elevates vehicle security with cutting-edge technology, offering unmatched features designed for safety and peace of mind. Here's a closer look at what makes this dash cam a must-have for car owners. Smart Sense Parking. Protect your vehicle even when you're away. The Nextbase IQ uses spatial awareness and AI-powered proximity sensing to monitor movement around your car. Receive instant alerts for potential threats and respond remotely with voice commands or alarms. Guardian Mode. Guardian Mode puts you in full control. Set location and speed limits for your car and receive alerts if they're breached. Monitor live front and rear feeds via the iQ app and communicate directly with the driver, be it your kids, mechanic, or valet, ensuring constant oversight. Witness mode. Feel safer on the road with witness mode. Activate it by saying "Start witness mode" when in distress, and the iQ will lock onto the situation, sharing live footage with a trusted contact. This feature ensures you're never alone during dangerous moments. Emergency SOS response. In the event of an accident, the iQ automatically contacts emergency services if you're unresponsive. It shares your location and medical details with first responders, enabling rapid assistance when you need it most. Coming soon, RoadWatch AI. Take evidence collection to the next level with RoadWatch AI. This upcoming feature can analyze vehicle speeds around you in any recording, helping solidify your claims and disputes. With its intuitive features and future-forward capabilities, the Nextbase IQ2K Smart HD Dashcam is more than a dashcam. It's your co-pilot for safety, control, and confidence on the road. The next is Number 2. Nextbase 622GW Dashcam, premium quality and unmatched safety. This dashcam offers an unparalleled driving experience with top-tier features and exceptional video quality. Designed for drivers who prioritize safety, clarity, and reliability, this dashcam captures every detail with precision and ensures you are protected in various driving conditions. Here's what makes the 622GW a standout choice. Fantastic video quality and experience. The Nextbase 622GW delivers ultra-clear 4K recording at 30 FPS, capturing fine details like number plates with stunning clarity. For enhanced flexibility, it offers 1440p HD at 60 FPS and 1080p HD at 120 FPS, providing the option to switch between resolutions based on your needs. Exact location recovery. The What 3 Words integration in the 622GW ensures you can be located precisely, even without a data connection. This feature provides emergency services or friends with your exact location using the unique 3-word address system, offering a critical safety advantage, especially when you're offline. Image stabilization. The 622GW incorporates advanced image stabilization technology, reducing vibrations caused by your vehicle to produce smooth, crystal clear footage. This ensures that every recording, whether on a bumpy road or during an emergency, remains steady and easy to review. Enhanced night vision and extreme weather mode. With a new sensor featuring larger pixels, the 622GW allows more light into the camera, improving nighttime clarity. Additionally, the camera automatically adjusts based on light levels, ensuring superior footage in both dim and bright conditions. With the Nextbase 622GW Dashcam, you get not only premium video quality, but also a host of advanced features that enhance your driving experience, safety, and peace of mind. The next is Number 1. Viofo A229 Pro Dashcam, advanced 3-channel 4K security for your vehicle. This dashcam is a top-tier choice for drivers seeking comprehensive, high-quality video surveillance of their vehicle. Featuring cutting-edge technology, this 3-channel dashcam offers exceptional image clarity and enhanced safety features to ensure peace of mind during every journey. Here are the key features that make the A229 Pro stand out. 3-channel 4K dashcam with Sony Starvis 2 sensors. The A299 Pro is equipped with 2 Sony Starvis 2 image sensors, IMX678 and IMX675, enabling impressive 4K resolution for the front camera, 2K for the rear, and 1080p for the cabin camera. HDR for all 3 channels and Night Vision 2.0. The A229 Pro employs advanced HDR technology alongside the Sony Starvis 2 sensors, expanding the dynamic range to capture more detail in both highlights and shadows. This technology is perfect for high-speed situations and nighttime driving, ensuring clear footage with precise license plate recognition in all lighting conditions. Upgraded infrared cabin recording. The A229 Pro's cabin camera features infrared LED lights that activate when low light is detected inside the vehicle, allowing it to capture clear black and white footage even in complete darkness. This ensures that the interior of the vehicle is always monitored with sharp detail, providing enhanced security for both drivers and passengers. Hands-free voice control and notifications. For added convenience, the A229 Pro includes 12 voice commands that let you take photos, lock videos, turn on/off Wi-Fi, and more without taking your hands off the wheels. This is the best option for you to buy.